to Daddy. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy.
That's very sweet. How old is Daddy? Oh, did you put that up there? That's very cool. Mariah did the decorations. Where's the other one? Cool. Cool. Oh, where's she going? Wait a minute. There's Sanai. Sanai, say happy birthday, Daddy. Yay! Where's the other one? Hold on. Hold on, folks. Happy birthday! Oh, we gotta save that one. That one's a surprise. Okay, can you say happy birthday, Daddy?
Happy birthday out there.
Yeah, the happy birthday's on the other side of the door. How old's Daddy?
2.
Good job, Dad. 2 old. Yeah, you're so smart. All right. Okay, can you say bye?